More herbs. Basil, thyme, oregano, mint, rosemary. Then we've got, I think that might be an ash tree, not sure, but. Then I've got blue bonnets. The blue bonnets I purchased because the winter freeze that we had took out a lot of ours. I do have some blue bonnets in the ground. These are the ones that I grew from seed. I put the seeds out at the end of last autumn and covered them up with these leaves, and they survived the freeze, but as you can see, they're a lot smaller than the ones that were established at the nursery. So these ones are fixing to actually bloom. The marigolds are trap plants. You can see there's aphids and the bugs are going to the marigolds. I leave these untreated to pull the bugs to them, to pull them away from the other plants. The orange boxes are hospital zones. So I was trying to revive these after winter, and it looks like I've actually been successful. There's new life on that one and this one. This one pretty much looks like it's gone. So just like the trap plants, I leave these here and the dead and dying vegetation because there are insects that like to feed on that, and the more food there is for them, the more they're going to leave my plants alone. So same thing with this hospital zone, but I don't think I've been successful reviving these, which is fine because they're protecting the seedlings that are in there. So I'm trying to work with nature instead of against it, and it seems to be working so far. My stuff's actually growing and not being eaten, but everything's still getting fed, so I like that. All right, so here is the screen house, as I call it. In here I have lettuce, strawberries, beans. I'm experimenting with the soil, cress, kale, garlic, another tomato plant, cilantro and culantro, a lot of sage. I have pools of water out for the bees and the ladybugs. We've got radish. These are trap plants. They go untreated for the bugs to go there. Planting new things. Over here we have carrots. There's a blackberry bush. I actually purchased this one, but it's flowering nicely. More sage. I'm going to put together sage bundles to sell on my website. Out here in the large towers, I have mostly herbs. The tomatoes are in a box with wheels I can move around to catch the sun, but they're doing a lot better than I expected because they're already getting flowers on them. And I grew these from seed.